beach area, huh?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we are at Pine Lake National Forest Campground in Hiles, Wisconsin. And we are going to have lunch and then we are going to explore the campground. Lots of duckies out there. So we just got a quick and easy picnic lunch today. We didn't feel like doing any cooking.
Lazy.
We got us a Big Boss sub sandwich, some chips, and that's about it. Always love a picnic lunch. It is really pretty here. Looking forward to exploring.
How's your day going? Got the mouthful there?
Going the goodest it could go.
What did you see today?
We saw a wolf, we saw a lot of deer, squirrels, hawks, eagles, great blue heron, swans, ducks, and one drunken idiot.
That must be me.
And we got a hawk up in the trees. They're screaming like crazy, but we can't see them anywhere. He's got to be close. I'll take a quick look. Oh yeah, we got the sun right there. Huh. He's got to be right up in there somewhere, but I can't see him. Let's go down to the lake and see what we see. Wow, where'd that big old mass of duckies go?
They left ya.
Did they fly away?
They went that way.
Oh, they just swam away? Oh, they're all over there, huh? Hanging around with the swannies. And what are you, my child? You just a ducky? Are you a special kind of ducky? Female mallard? You appear to be. Oh, I think I found the great blue heron. I didn't think I was going to find him again. Let's see if that's him.
Are you my love?
Yeah. Okay guys, now that we stuffed our faces and enjoyed the lake for a while, we're going to take a walk through the campsites. And then we'll go check out the boat landing.
Apparently we're waddling through the campsite.
Yeah, we're waddling through the campsites. That was one big freaking sandwich. Whew. 90% bread. Huh?
2,400.
Yeah. Yeah, 90% bread though and 10% lunch meat and cheese. Whew. So we drive straight down to the beach and picnic area. And of course we'll be doing the campsites backwards.
Yeah.
Seems to be the way. And this is the last one. So how many campsites are here? Did you say 6?
6 maybe? More?
Yeah, that goes way back.
We'll try 12. How's that?
There's a trail back there. Okay, so there's 12 campsites. Don't know if there's any more by the boat landing. I would assume not, but you never know.
They never put them down there. There's a nice one.
Yeah, this one's nice. 11. Goes back pretty far. Nice and roomy. Lots of room for... Oh, we are so anxious to try out our new big bell tent. I think we got a 4 meter, which is 13 feet across. And the tiniest, cutest little wood stove you ever did see.
Hey.
So we're gonna...
Talking about my wood stove.
This one's up on a little hill with some sun. And that should be what, number 10? Yep, that is number 10. And we got the water pump, the info board, $15 a night, or $7.50 if you're a senior. Whew. Daily fee double site. Apparently they have no double sites. It's not NA. Check in 2 o'clock, check out 12 o'clock.
The gremlins.
Yeah, where are these little gremlins here?
Supposed to be happy now.
That wasn't the one making all the noise, but oh, there he is. He's over there. The little squirrels are all over the place. That one's pretty roomy too, although it doesn't go back as far, but fit a pretty good sized trailer in there. That is number 9.
Oh yeah, you get some good trailers in here.
Oh yeah, this one, look how far back that one goes.
That's just me saying, don't you dare try it.
This one is back in the nice big old pine trees. Or, excuse me, hemlock trees. What?
Without going around that tree where we're at, that's big enough to spin the trailer right around, come back up and back into these.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this one is nice and roomy. That is number 8.
Hey, you're one right on top of the tree.
And this one, oh, I like this one. It's kind of open, but fairly private. Number 7. Up on a little hill. Number 6, also up on a hill. Amongst these nice big hemlock trees.
Yeah.
And whatever trees.
Hemlock and pine.
Hemlock and pine.
Pine and hemlock.
I think I really like this one. Our tent would fit just right in there. Number 6. Number 5. Also nice and roomy. Okay, yeah, this one is for the campground host. I think it's number 4. Up on a hill. Shady with some sun. Lots of beautiful trees. Yep, that's number 4. Okay, so this one has to be number 3. That one, I mean, it's nice and everything, but just not feeling that one too much. Yeah, that one is number 3. Now, where the heck are 1 and 2? Is the question. Looks like there's one up here. Oh yeah, the last 2 are up here. Here we go, this one. Oh, this one is nice. Pretty shady at the moment, but definitely could get some sun. There's number 2. And right over here is number 1, which looks pretty sunny right now. And here is number 1. That one's nice. Plenty of room for a tent or a trailer, or both. I gotta head back to the car so we can go check out the boat landing. I definitely would come camping here though. Very nice. But you rarely meet a National Forest Campground we don't like. Do the I just got done peeing dance. I dig it, man. I dig it.
Come on. How clean are the shitters?
Well, they're not bad. Pretty clean. But warm. For the end of September, it is quite warm.
Well, we'll get the air conditioning going shortly.
No, I didn't notice any of these have R's on them, so I wonder if they're all first come, first serve.
Yeah.
No, they don't list any reservables. Cool. I like the ones that stick with the first come, first serve.
They're talking about raising these up to $20.
Oh, shit. Of course they will.
You see that?
I imagine next year they'll all be raised. They've been 15 for quite a long time.
Oh, yeah. You can't blame them.
Yeah.
Well, you can, but you can't. Yeah, I did. I was looking at the trees.
Yeah.
What the fuck's down here?
Oh, it's right up by the boat landing. Well, they got a nice new toilet at the boat landing.
Oh.
And you can just drive the perimeter of the boat landing so the camera gets the whole thing.
Got the shitter.
Nice new toity.
A fee area. Hey, they put a picnic table down
Table
here.
here too. Nice.
Oh, just a back in.
I don't know what's wrong.
Yep.
Yep.
Fee. No more.